In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a trade on TradingView mobile app. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to connect your broker or enter paper trading inside TradingView mobile. So I'm going to go to the bottom, and as you can see where it says community, just above that, there's like a arrow down, arrow up button. You want to tap on that. And from here, you want to basically find your broker and connect to it, or you could just basically connect paper trading, which I'm going to do right now by tapping connect, and there we go. Now, over here, you want to tap on that exact same symbol at the bottom again to be able to place a trade. So just above community, again, tap on that arrows. And as you can see here, I can go and now place a trade. So I have the option to either buy or sell. As you can see up top, I can select buy or sell. And then I can go and select either market, limit, or stop order, which is completely up to you. So market will buy at the current price. Limit will basically put a limit order, and then stop over here will put a stop order. Now I'm going to do a market order right now, and you can select either if you want in units, margin USD, balance, risk USD, etc. I'm just going to leave this as 1 over here, and I'm actually going to basically just continue to where it says exits, and then here you can of course set your take profit, stop losses if you want to. You can enable those and place them on. That's completely up to you. And then you can see your order info over here, and you can just tap on the buy button at the bottom, or of course if you're placing a sell order, you could tap on sell button, and that's pretty much that. So if I tap on this right now, as you can see, it's going to say market order executed, and that's pretty much all you have to do. If you now actually want to view your kind of order history, you want to tap at the very next to those arrows at the bottom. You can see it's going to show your broker from each trading view. Tap on that, and here you can see your positions, orders, order history, and then balance history, stuff like that. Anything can be seen in here. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.